In today's video, I'm thrilled to share with you this new Chrome extension, which promises to revolutionize your web browsing experience with its lightning-fast scanning abilities and useful features. Let's dive in and explore all that this tool has to offer. To get your hands on this plugin, simply head over to Perplexity.ai and click on the Chrome extension button located in the top right corner of the screen. Once downloaded, you'll notice a small Perplexity box appear in the corner of your browser. Let's dive in and explore what this tool has to offer. Upon opening the plugin, you're presented with three distinct options: search the internet, search a specific domain, or search a specific page. For our demonstration, we'll search for ChatGPT on medium.com by selecting the domain search option. The plugin swiftly scans the website and presents us with information about ChatGPT. What's more, the plugin even provides links to the specific pages where these information can be found. How impressive is that? Let's put the plugin to the test and see if it can summarize an article for us. Selecting the page summary option, we're able to get a concise description of the article within seconds. It's amazing how much time and effort this tool can save us. Next, we'll navigate to Amazon.com. Suppose we're interested in purchasing an Amazon Fire HD. With the Perplexity plugin, we can quickly conduct research on the product. Simply select the page summary option and inquire about the pros and cons of the Amazon Fire HD, and within seconds, we'll receive relevant results. All in all, the Perplexity plugin is a game changer. It's a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more AI videos.